Just landed in LA picking up this beautiful 2022 Armada from Nissan. Thank you so much for Nissan for always providing their beautiful vehicles. And we're gonna go fishing and down in San Diego, and hopefully you're gonna be able to catch something. You know how it is. Hiro's always got that luck.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Hiro-san. How are you?
Okay, so we are going to San Diego
Yes, sir.
for tuna fishing.
Hopefully we're gonna be able to catch something.
Yeah. All right, I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Yes.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, buckle up, Hiro.
Yeah.
Put the seatbelt on.
Big fan of yours.
Hey! You recognize him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
No way.
He's famous.
Oh my goodness. What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie. Mine too.
Oh, really? Nice
I'm the
to meet
camera
you
guy.
guys. What's with the traffic?
I don't know. I
Accident,
thought I
right?
was going to ask you. We're not from here.
All right, don't put me off YouTube, okay?
Okay.
See you guys.
Bye. Here's sign. The goal today is to catch a fish longer than you, taller than you, whatever, longer, taller,
Okay.
and heavier.
Okay.
How much do you weigh?
I have about 220 pounds.
220 pounds.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's possible. Okay. So let's do it. Let's look for Bryan. Yeah.
Couldn't ask for a better weather day, right?
Oh, today's beautiful.
All right.
What's up?
Hey.
Morning, morning.
How's it going?
So I said the goal today is to find a tuna
Yes.
bigger, taller, longer than, and heavier than him. Is that too lofty?
No, I think that's pretty reasonable.
Okay. Okay.
Especially considering who we're fishing with. You know
Okay.
what I mean? So I'm excited about this. So yeah, it was hard for me to sleep last night. I'm like, God,
Really?
I'm so happy to get to fish together
Yeah.
on this trip, and then get to, hopefully bring something back for my sensei for his event tomorrow. She was gonna be like, hey, what happened to you?
We must do honor
Right?
for Andy's son. Ali, right?
Yes, sir.
Charles. Hey.
Good meeting you, man.
Yeah,
Thanks for
likewise.
coming out.
No,
Yeah,
my
we're
pleasure.
looking
Thanks for
forward
having
to it.
us.
Hiro,
And Hiro,
thanks
yeah.
so much for coming out. Appreciate it.
So our goal today,
Try and catch a bluefin.
well, besides that, longer, heavier than him.
What do you weigh?
220.
Oh, that's a reach. We're gonna hang you upside down from up there and make sure.
Just make sure he weighs that much. When he's done fishing, maybe he's gonna be less than 220.
Well, yeah, you'll probably lose 5 pounds. Hopefully, if we hook you on a big one.
All right, sounds great.
All right, guys, let's get going.
This is my sushi counter.
You gonna be able to catch a big one, Hiro? We want a big one.
Try to get big one.
Big.
We got chubby today.
No sardine.
Sardine.
Oh shit.
If you want to make the trip up to San Diego, they still have a couple more boxes. So they've been fishing for the past couple days, but fishing hasn't been great for them. They've been struggling. But we'll see what we get today.
All right, man. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Not a big deal. I was just gonna take some bait as insurance. Don't sweat it. In case we saw some yellowtail or something.
right in front of the school. So when I tell you to lower it, drop that bait down and work it like I just showed you. See all these tuna out our side window here? This is a
Oh, right over
set
there.
up on these guys now. Oh, there's some big ones in this school. Really big ones. This is exactly what we're looking for.
Hiro-san, you ready?
And then
Wow.
remember, when that indicator goes down, Brian, game on. You start winding for your life. Put it up to drag up to 3 and wind like hell. You're going to get very soon. This is... Keep winding, that's the flip. You're tight. Fuck yeah, boy! Fuck yeah!
You got it?
Heck yeah! Keep that thing tight. Woo! Dude, I saw that. I'm like, that looks like a little... Whoa!
Look at the what do you call it, line? Is that okay? Rubbing on each other.
Yeah, we'll bring the kite into the clip. That is the one I wanted, boys.
That is, huh?
Yes.
How many pounds?
I don't do that.
Okay.
Big enough to eat that flyer, and it left a very large hole.
It's rubbing on this bill right now. Are we okay?
Okay. Yeah, you're all right. I mean,
Hiro-san,
let me come
you
down
ready?
here.
Yeah, so take off your jacket. This one's all you, baby.
That's the right size. Oh, yes. Yeah, I was. Okay, Hiro, what are you doing? Keep that line tight. Tight as you can.
You're up.
Hiro, you wanted your shot, buddy. You got it.
221, baby.
Just to leave it in there, okay? Yeah, you can leave it in there for a bit, and then eventually we're going to go to the bow. The most important thing is to keep that line tight.
Yeah, wait.
Where it's at.
Yes.
Did you guys even see it?
Dude, I was staring at it, then I turned around to look over here, and I heard you go,
I'm like, what happened?
And I looked right
Yeah.
there, I'm like, oh shit, I saw it going out. I'm like,
I have
yeah.
caught hundreds of these, and the bite does not get any less awesome ever. Ever. Oh, I love that. Wind. When that rod tip jumps up here, I need you to wind on them. As soon as you get him on, he's not even like taking a string.
No. But so I need you to help it for a second.
Come over here.
Anytime you want to keep pressure on me, just lean down, okay?
Very close to ruining this guy's day.
Reposition again, take Ollie.
Yeah, give me a sec here, bud. Keep that line tight, please, guys.
Got it tight. Okay. Give it all the way into your armpit so you could bend down and just keep the rod up.
There you go. Wind
Wind it. There we go.
Ooh,
Look
I
at that
think it's
rod,
pulling.
man.
Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy strong.
Doing great, Hiro.
Might be starting to circle, huh?
Making big circles now, which
Yeah.
means he's on his side and he's tired.
Okay. There we go. You
Winding
got
on him.
keep
that pressure on him.
keep your pressure on there, Hiro. You got it.
Come on out. I'm gonna make you sleepy. Woo! Look at that, boys.
Oh shit.
Okay, Brian, there's a second gaff behind me. If this
Okay.
thing explodes, I'm gonna need you to reach over and gaff something.
Okay.
Hiro, you're doing great. Oh. One more pass, and I'm gonna end this guy's day.
One more pass, Hiro. You're almost there. One more pass. One more pass. Buddy. Okay, get a set. Take a gaff.
Free spool or clicker on?
Free spool, picker on.
He doesn't like to do it. Get him under the chin. Under the chin. Perfect. Lift. Okay.
hold there, hold there, hold there.
what we got, boys. Stand up straight. You're hurting my back with all this. Okay, follow us down this way, Hero. Oh, yeah. He's not even speaking English yet. Okay, wait, this comes in fast like that. Just watch it down, points. All right, guys, you ready? Nice and easy. Just walk right through.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the one we were looking for.
Wow. Incredible.
Boy, nice work.
Good job, guys, all of you.
Nice teamwork, guys.
Hiro-san,
Wow.
close to a...
Hiro-san, #1 two-time
Wow.
tuna killer. Watch yourself, Bryan. That place gets sterile.
This boy is a big boy.
Okay, welcome aboard. Remember when I told you that was a warm-up? Wasn't joking, huh? You're gonna have to teach us some Japanese cuss words later on. I don't know any. Oh, jeez. He was not going for it.
Wow.
Hey. Calm down, buddy. All fine. You're gonna be just fine. Trust me.
Those red platters are. I got.
This hook is like fucking buried.
You smashed this fucking thing from. Sorry with the cuss words again, you guys. You smashed this thing. Well.
That's what we came for, guys.
Nice job, guys.
Nice work, team.
Good,
Everybody
good,
did
awesome,
their job.
awesome.
Ends up in a nice dead fish. He's not gonna weigh quite as much as you, but maybe as much as you were in college. How's that? Is that good enough?
Yeah. We kind of think the scale was wrong. He's not 220.
Yeah, we'll hang both of them, see which one's heavier. Wow.
Hiro-san, nice job. Tough, huh?
Is that a tough animal or what?
Wow.
Sunk with the Lord, God. We'll go ahead and this guy, get some pictures. Okay.
What do you think this weighs?
165, 170 pounds, somewhere in there. Probably.
Okay.
Early in the season, my scale may not be perfectly calibrated, but just a nice fish.
Shake it off the paint, Hiro. Tomorrow you gotta make sushi for everyone.
Okay. Sun's good. Okay, Hiro, you want to sit on that rail? You're going to smell like a tuna like you never have before. But it's worth it. I'm going to bring this fish up to you. I'm going to throw him right in your lap. Okay? You want to reposition the towel, Ollie? Nah, we don't need it. Hiro, start pulling the rope, buddy.
A little more pulling for him.
Day's not over
It's
yet.
so good today.
Little sore?
Just,
Come
yeah.
on. Like slicing sashimi. Keep going.
Come on, Hiro, you're CrossFit. Let's go. Take a look at this fish. Beautiful fish. Hiro-san, you did it. Well, teamwork. This guy's a genius right here.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Ali, thank you so much for taking us out.
Oh man, I had a great time with you guys. You guys are awesome. You're welcome back anytime.
Thank you so much. This is 165 pounds. Just take a look.
Thanks so
you're a
much.
genius,
If you guys
man.
enjoyed it today, man, check out localknowledge.tv.
Awesome. Thank you so much again.
Thank you guys. Got a blast.
So now it's sashimi time, huh?
Yeah.
That's part two.
Knives, buddy. Come on, put that apron on. Start cutting here. I didn't bring you here for your fishing skills, dude. This is a sushi play. You gotta feed all of us next.
All in a day's hard work. Check out everything that we caught today. Hiro-san, again, what a great job, huh? Are your arm ready for slicing sushi now?
Yes, rice, please.
Slice, please.
Rice, please.
Taro-san, where are you? So the rest of the night, we need to pack this beautiful fish that you guys caught into this armada. Can it be done? I think so. Plus got these other fish over there and more ice. Oh man.
Good night.
It's like a dead body in there.
Right? Amigos?
Hey, thanks so much, Brian.
We did it.
You made it.
We're both. Hey, we both just want to go like this. Look. So,
How far do you have to drive back home?
Bruisey beds. I'm like an hour away.
An hour. Are you okay to drive?
Oh yeah.
You sure?
Oh yeah. I had I had half of my sandwich.
Oh, okay.
Candy I found in there. Had
Chips?
no chips. I never chips.
Oh, chips? Oh, no, I haven't the chips.
But yeah, no, we're good. Let's go get a good night's sleep and then do this thing tomorrow. I'm glad we were able to get this.
Yeah. Thanks so much, buddy.
I still have that one in there. I'm gonna take that one. I'm gonna break it down in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah, get that home, man. You got to ice that thing down.
I have it packed up real nice.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. See you.
Congratulations.
It was a team effort.
Right? See you guys.